Hello everyone, I'm Nani and this is my channel. Welcome! Well, now we are making the chassis of the Unimog. That one. There's something that doesn't cost a penny, and it is subscribing. Then if you want, you can comment, and it would be nice to answer to your questions or comments. And smash the bell and say like, thumb up, so on. Little things that makes you a better person, certainly a better person. Hope you enjoy, I hope you find useful, and let's go to the work. Step 7. We have to make 2 of these. Grab with this part and this is the right size. We are a little bit too short. Okay. 1. Okay. And now this part. And now, all together. 1, 2, 3. Done. Step 8. Here all the pieces we need, this later. And important is for these 2 pieces there are marks on the parts and you have to align them. So if I'm not wrong, we have to do it by this way, and first put this.
You have to put this here into this way, and this in this way. This one. Not that way, this way. And this must be near the car. Okay, so we can put one here in.
This here in. This. And screws. And this is one. The other one. Okay, this works fine, but this not. Step 9. I think that I begin mounting this, then close, and this one before closing. Let's do. I have sharpened my tool, but I think it's time to buy a new one. But this I don't throw away. This is glorious and very helpful for a lot of works. Step 10. We have to mount the hubs, ball bearing, drive shaft, and here they say to put grease, but grease works when everything is perfectly clean. When we have dust, grease plus dust make a sanding effect, so I don't use grease in these positions. We can go to the next step. Step 11. We have two choices. We can make the block differential or working differential free. Now, this is not a proper crawler, but it is not a car. It doesn't go fast. It needs to go in rough terrain. So I think that if we have diff in front and not on the rear, we have a good compromise, and the Unimog perhaps is quite good everywhere. So I will mount this diff blocket without satellite. Okay, we have all the pieces here, and even if this is not working, I will put grease inside, because prevents with little vibrations the breaking of the parts. Step 12. Mount the rear transmission. Here I use this because the support is made by the bearing. The same for this one. Done. Now all these parts has to go inside these two parts. Here we have all what we need. So first of all we must put the shafts inside. You see, this bushing is just a spacer, so right using the bushing. Then very nice. And now, okay. A lot of grease. These are sealed, so I'm not worried about water. Now we have to close this case. We put snap. There are 8 screws. If you hear tatak, I'm not destroying the head of the screw, but it's in hand very lightly, so when the screw is arrived, this refuses and jumps and makes ta-ta-ta. Perfect, very free. This is all. Thank you very much. Comments, like and subscribe please. Bye bye, up to the next everyone.